So I have one of my Supreme members over here who I'm going to guide on how to buy the JSE Top 40 index using TradingView. So the first thing you're going to do, Sam, is you're going to click on the little icon next to Get Started because you've already got an account with TradingView. You're going to click in Sign In. You're going to put in your username and password and click Sign In. Now you can see that you've signed into your account. You're going to go to Products, Super Charts. Now we're going to connect to the broker. So you're going to click on Trading Panel. You're going to scroll down until you see Velocity Trader or Herenya. You're going to put in your Velocity Trade username and password and click Connect. Now you've logged into your account and you're going to buy the JSE Top 40. So you're going to click on and look for the XJSE Top 40. So in the watch list, Sam is clicking on XJSE Top 40 so it opens the chart. Now we're going to buy the trade. So you're going to click on Trade. Now you have your order window that you are ready to buy the JSE Top 40. So now you need to open your position size calculator. And we are going to calculate how many CFDs Sam needs to buy with a 50,000 Rand account. So portfolio value, he'll type 50,000. The risk is 1%. Is it a Forex trade? No. The market is the JSE Top Index. The type of trade is a buy because we're going long. We're expecting the market to rally. The minimum quantity is 1 CFD. The margin percentage per CFD is 2%. The entry level is 74995. The stop loss price is 74811. And the take profit price is 75421. Now Sam can see that the position size volume that he needs to buy with CFDs is 2 CFDs.
2, correct, yeah.
And you can see that the initial margin per CFD is 1,499 Rand. The initial margin with the total CFDs, because you're buying 2 CFDs, is 2,999 Rand. The risk in trade is 184 points, which means that from where Sam gets in to if it hits a stop loss, it will go against him 184 points. And the risk in trade is 368 Rand, which is very close to that 1% or the 500 Rand that Sam was willing to risk. So now Sam can go to the TradingView platform and he can initiate his trade. You can see that you're going to buy the JSE Top 40. So you're going to click on Buy. You can choose between the market price and the limit price. Limit price is the price that you can type in what you want to get in. And the market price is when it will execute immediately. As the price is very close to the entry, Sam will click on Markets. The lots is also known as the number of CFDs, so Sam will type 2 over there. Now, if the market is running up and you got to get in immediately, Sam can click in Buy immediately, and then he can modify his trade at a later stage. But because the market is not running up, we have time. Sam is going to put in the stop loss and take profit now. So he's going to click on Take Profit. And where the price is, he's going to write 75421. Then he's going to click on the stop loss price. And where the price is, he's going to type in 74811. So now Sam can see that his risk to reward will be 1 to 2.45. Sam can see that if the trade goes for him and hits the take profit, he will bank 902 Rand. By the stop loss, you can see that if the market goes against him and it hits the stop loss, he will only lose 310 Rand. So when Sam is ready, he will click on Buy. And now the order is placed. And you can see that the stop loss level is put in, the take profit level is put in. Now Sam is dragging this up and he can see his position. So he is long 2 CFDs, the top 40 JSE CFD. The average price fill was 74972. The take profit price is 75421. And the stop loss price is 74811. Now you know how to buy or go long the JSE Top 40 using TradingView and connecting to your Velocity Trader account.